welcome back to my channel. I do hope you're doing well. I'm actually showing some type of spookiness, guys. We have just been pumpkin picking, which that vlog is coming very, very soon. And I thought, you know what? I was looking through what videos I need to film, which is a lot, I can't lie, guys. And I thought, while I'm in my spooky gear, why don't I film something that I've never, ever, ever filmed on this channel before? And that is an unboxing Halloween advent calendar. And it is a GONK one. Now, I can't lie, I was very skeptical about this when I purchased it. It was from a website called GoHomey. You may have seen them around on Instagram or TikTok. They keep popping up. There is a Christmas one as well, which I can't lie, I'm a little dubious about. Just purely because the size that they show on the advert turns out to be this. So this isn't sponsored or anything. I purchased this with my own money. One of my friends at work actually sent me the link and was like, oh my god, this is a bit of you. I ordered it, I want to say beginning of August, and it didn't arrive until middle of September, so it was 6 weeks. So if you was looking to get the Christmas one, I would probably say order it now. If you was going to order it, I will leave the link for it down below, but I don't know with stocks if it's going to still be in stock or anything like that. But the way they made it out was it was like the size of an advent calendar. And then when it arrived, it was like this. And I think I paid 30 or 35 quid for this with shipping. So I'm like, okay. It says Gorge Omen Kapai. I don't know. It just says Halloween countdown. That's all I can read from it, I'm afraid. But it opens out. And when you open it out, you have all these little doors. So again, it didn't make it seem like this in the photo. It made it seem that you opened it out, and obviously it would have been a lot bigger. You had all of these doors with your gnomes on. So, I mean, I don't want to sit here and bash it because I have spent 30, 35 quid of my own money on it. So we're going to see how it is. But let's get in with opening a Halloween GONK calendar. We'll see. Right, so number 1, and I've just realised, I'm thinking, why is there 31 days? It's not a normal advent calendar, Shan. It's an October one. There's 31 days in October. Right, number 1. Okay, I thought these were all GONKs. Apparently not. So in front of number 1, we have, I don't know if this is a hangy decoration. It must be. It's like a little figurine. Okay, maybe you can chill in the wardrobe. As you can tell, I've not really got a setup just yet, guys, because we're still in the midst of putting everything together and there's still not really an autumnal bit in sight. So, okay, you can sit there. Maybe I won't put you on the radiator just now because I have got the heating on. But we have one scarecrowy pumpkin clown jester man. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll show you the collective at the end of everything that we have. So they literally just fold out. So let's pop that back in. Where are we for number 2? If anyone else has bought this as well, please do let me know down below. What did you think? Oh, do we have a GONK here? If I can get him out of the number 2. Hold on a minute, guys. Okay, I actually do have a GONK for number 2. Oh, he's cute. Okay, maybe it's not all is lost. And I do apologise for the state of the hair. We're just not even dealing with it right now, guys. He's not Christmassy, but I love it. Guys, look at that. We've got a little red knitted GONK. Oh, okay. Right, I would definitely say you're more Christmas vibe. Because they do a Christmas one. So I don't quite know. You're definitely more Christmas though. Can I hang you up there? Would you like to be in the video? We're just going to sit in there, guys. Okay, I actually have no idea now what to expect on these. Number 3. I must say though, it does feel quite heavy and weighty. Here we go. Right, we've got another one of these little figurines. What have we got here? We have a pumpkin with a little ghost out of the top. Okay, so are we alternating between Christmas and ghosts? I do feel like I'm holding this up and everything's just travelling south. So I wouldn't be surprised if we open this and maybe there's just not some bits in some of them. So we'll see, my lovelies. Number 4. Number 4, we've got another GONK. You're going to have a friend in a minute, pal. Let's have a look. What have we got here? Right, they're all definitely falling out of their boxes. So some we're going to open and there not be anything in there, guys. It's going to be a bit pick a mix. The GONKs are definitely Christmas. Because I don't know about you, but if that's Halloween, I have no idea what Christmas could be. That is lovely, though. You've got another friend. Oh, maybe not. Maybe should we put you on here? No, you don't want to go on there? Let's have a look. Can you go on there? Just going to leave them there, guys. We're just going to leave them there. I must say, for £30/£35, I don't feel the quality of the calendar itself is really, I feel it's very fabricated online as to how it looks for them to how it looks in person. Because I think back to like when it's Christmas, the advent calendar's coming up, you can spend 30 quid, for example. See, like, this is what I mean. It's all like falling, so I don't actually know what is what. I feel you need to go in there. We have another like plastic one. This time it's a spider. But you know, like when you go into Boots, you can get advent calendars that are around £30-35. And I just feel like they're a lot better quality. They're not literally falling apart. So, I mean, but this is why I'm the guinea pig. And I see this stuff and I get sent this stuff. And I'm like, yeah, let's give it a go. She says and then regrets. Number 6. Number 6, we have another GONK, guys. If any of you guys have ordered the Christmas one, let me know what you think of it down below if it has arrived. Let's see, that's just coming clean off. Okay. Yeah, the GONKs are Christmas. So the Halloween stuff seems to be like plastic little figurines. And then the GONKs are your Christmas style. So, okay. This is really cute, though. I'm not really vibing so much with the plastic stuff because I don't actually know what I would do with that. But the GONKs, I can definitely use the GONKs on the tree. So maybe I should have just got the Christmas one. Maybe I should have just got the Christmas one. Let's pop you up there and see if you stay. Yes. Doesn't take a lot to please me, does it, my lovelies? Right. Number 7. I have nothing, so I feel like he's fallen. It is another plastic dude. This is a little pumpkin in a suit by the looks of it. Another little pumpkin man. So it seems to definitely be, and when you look in here, guys, I don't know if that will show you. See how they've just kind of like all fallen through. So I'm kind of like, I don't know. I don't know about that. Right, number 8. What could number 8 be? It's a long, thin one. Let's have a look. This isn't, oh God, this isn't breaking as well, number 8. Right, guys, I actually don't have anything in number 8. Oh no, hold on. Let's have a look. It's another GONK. Okay. Definitely, I would say if you have got this, did anyone else have the problems of all of the items falling out of the holes? Because I'm looking and I'm thinking I've got 3 or 4 doors there, but I can't open them because, well, I can open them, but I've got nothing there. So you may have this and get slightly different things behind the doors. But now we've got a pink one. The GONKs I don't think are bad because these are actually normally about 2 quid, isn't they, if you go to the range. Can you go on that one? Yes. It's just going to be hanging gonks now, isn't it? Let's have a look. What have we got? Number 9. There is nothing behind the door of number 9. I feel number 9 is just... I'm just going to pick one because there's a cascade of them over here. Oh, he's quite funky. I'm going to say this is like a scary ghoul, little demon vibe. Okay. Number 9, we're just going to do a pick and mix. As I say, it's not greatly built, you know. Number 10. What's behind the door? Nothing. So again, I'm just going to pop in the escapade because there's everything here. Oh, okay, I like this one. Look at this, guys. We've got a little ghost here. Okay. He's cute. He's cute. All right, we'll stick with him. 11. Oh, okay, right. 11 seems to have a multitude. So I'm not going to take loads out. I feel this could be number 11. Because, all right, that's quite funky. Okay, we might have like a little strange wizard. A little wizard, is that what you'd say? I don't know. Okay. 11. I'm not saying any more because I feel these are all the ones that have dropped down. Let's have a look. Number 12. What's behind the door of number 12? And nothing. So again, I'm just going to pop my hand through. And who have I got here? Oh, okay. I feel, is this someone from a film? Nightmare Before Christmas or something like that. As I say, I haven't seen it, so I don't quite know. But we're definitely picking up more on the Halloween vibe. Okay. 12. 13. We've got a multitude behind 13. But again, I'm going to go with one. Oh, we've got a duplicate. Oh, no. Slightly different. We've got his twin. We've got this little smiley face man's twin. Okay. These are definitely all falling down because look, guys, behind number 14, nil point. So let's just random pick a mix. Okay, you're the same as the black one, right? I'm feeling there's just going to be duplicates with different colourings, perhaps, but it's okay. We're going to go with it. Number 15. Oh my God, I spied. Nothing. This big one. Oh God, guys, this is a little bit of a disaster, this one. But hey, this is why I do them. We need to see what it's like. We have a little pumpkin. That was behind the door of number 15. 15, 15, 16. Do we have anything behind the door of 16? We do. A skull skeleton Dracula, perhaps? Mwahaha. I don't mind that one. I think that that's actually quite a funky one. 16, 17, 17, 17. What do we have? Nothing. We're just going to see what's down here. Okay, we have got a classic trick-or-treater. This actually reminds me of the costume on Cobra Kai. If you guys have seen the film or the series, you will know what I mean. Number 18. Nil point. So we're just going to select one at random because it's all gone that way. Oh, okay. Pirates of the Caribbean vibe. Pirates of the Caribbean vibe. Where are we now? Number 19. 19. There's nothing. And as you can see, it's actually, I wouldn't say it's made very well because it's all falling apart. Number 19. What are we going to say? The cat. We're going with a cat, my lovelies. 19. 20. Where are you? 20. 20. Have we got anything? No. 20. We're going to go a hand. A little blooded hand. Okay. We're definitely going on the Halloween vibe. We started with a few like gonks, but they are gone now. Let's have a look. 21. 21. No. Let's have a look. We're going to go for the little... He's a duplicate. Yes, he is a duplicate. Our first little duplicate of the calendar. 21. He is done. 22. I'm coming for you. Nothing. What's 22? Oh. 22 I'm putting as this little guy. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. 23. Nothing. Who are we going to have for 23 on here? Oh, he's a little bit funky. I mean, these are probably really good if you've got little ones, because then they will probably enjoy something like this. But I'm not going to have any need for this, so I'll see. I might donate it to my friends' little ones, or I'll see if Dan's little ones they might like this. 24, there's nothing behind the door, but there is a little ghost. That's actually quite cute. I can't lie, guys, that is quite cute. 24, 25, this is where it just gets into a little heap. A little heap of a pumpkin. 25. Where are we with 26? 26, 26. 26, we've got the big one here that I feel I can actually just rip. 26 has 2 in there, guys. We have a little surprise. We have a happy ghost. And we also have a sparkly ghost. Love that. 26. Now 27. Do we have anything behind you? We do. One that hasn't fallen. Woohoo! I like these ones. I can't lie. I'll probably actually keep them for some form of a display. 27, 28. Nothing behind, but I feel it's going to be one of these guys. I like him. He's similar to a duplicate, but he's got an orange cape, not a purple cape. 29. 29. Do we have 29? No, but let's pop him as 29. He's a ghost. Ghost, ghost, ghost. Number 30. You're the last guy on this side, mate, so you'll be in number 30. We've got a little ghost there. And then 31, he actually stayed pretty much in the container. It ends on a bat, my lovelies. So let me pop these all together and I will show you what we've got in our Halloween / Christmas advent calendar. So my lovelies, that is the end of our very first Halloween advent calendar. Will I be repurchasing this next year? I don't think so. But I would like to know if there are any other Halloween advent calendars actually, because this has intrigued me as to if that is something that is a thing about. Perhaps you know of anything. Please do let me know down below. But yeah, I would give this advent calendar a 6 out of 10. I don't think it screams Halloween. I don't think for the price I feel the advent calendar could be made a tad better. But you know what? It's a little bit of fun. And as I say, I'm sure we'll get plenty of use out of the figurines. So guys, if you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. And as I say, leave me a comment. Have you purchased this? Have you seen the Christmas one online? The Go Home Me, I'm sure it is. I'll leave the link down below. What would you rate it? What would you pay for it? Would you pay £30 to £35 for it? Let me know what you think. And let me know, as I say, if you know any advent calendars around Halloween, or if we should create one. I feel we should. We blooming love seasons. Why shouldn't we create our own Halloween advent calendar, eh? Shannon is getting a little bit too carried away with herself. Guys, take care. Stay safe as always. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.